And he's going to do this until it gets too cold, so cold that the ice forms and he can't break through. And he'll go out on the ice. Occasionally he falls through, but manages to pull himself up. When I brought him here as a puppy on his first day, he just got his feet wet. Second day, he got his belly wet. And on the third day, he was out there playing with the big dogs.
Oh my God.
And he hasn't looked back.
Good boy, Jasper.
Yeah, bring the ball, Jasper. Would you like to throw it?
Or will he do a lot more?
What's that?
Is he one and done, or will he do a lot more?
No, he does want to do it some more. Here, you want to throw one?
I would love to. What's the technique? Is there a trick?
Well, I use both hands